morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you guys are in this beautiful world. We are back again for another episode of the Digital Entrepreneur Business Live Talk. And today we will be talking about the truth about building an online business. It's not an overnight success. Yes, of course, just like any other businesses, you really have to learn, apply, and keep going. Just stay consistent no matter what. Never ever give up. So, but of course, before we dive into this topic, I am so happy and grateful that these beautiful ladies here have a time to join this live, so I don't be doing my by myself. Anyway, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Rosalyn Adkins. I am a global digital business mentor and coach in this community or in this digital business opportunity. I'm originally from Cebu, Philippines, but living here in Maine, USA. I came from working long hours. I was pretty much burnout. As a breadwinner, I shoulder a lot of my family bills here in the US. It's yes, we're earning dollars, but our also bills are dollars. So really living paycheck to paycheck, pretty much, and no time for myself and the same routine I realize that if I don't do something year after year, I will be in the same situation where I was more than 2 years ago. And I realized that there's gonna be something way to get out of this daily grind. I prayed, I asked God's guidance, and at the same time I was open to the opportunity. I resonate my coach and mentor's stories. She share her stories through YouTube of how she changed her life uh, from struggling with working long hours, living paycheck to paycheck, and how she changed her life. It's because of the business. The moment I heard her journey, her stories, I was curious about, and I clicked and watched that free workshop without hesitation, without doubts. I just take actions. Because if I don't take actions, I wouldn't be here right now sharing this amazing business that changed hundreds of thousands of people's lives. But of course, before we dive into this topic, I'm gonna give a chance to my business partner here, Sis Teresa and Sis Cecil, to introduce themselves and then give a little bit of the why they started the business, and then we can proceed to this topic. Hi, ladies. Good morning. Hi, Sis Teresa.
Hi, sis. Thank you. And good morning, everyone. And we're back again in our daily go live. And to those who don't know me, I'm pretty much, the same like everybody else, looking for something that can supplement my income. Yung always na tayo mag-overtime tapos wala pa rin natin naipon. Isa na po ako yun. So, I hope the people that, lalo na sa mga immigrant, mga OFW, I know how life here in abroad, pero yun talaga ang una nating we always think that here if we're in abroad na marami tayong pera. Sa totoo lang, may pera tayo pero okay lang hanggang sa ano lang sa bills lang. So, yun talaga ang ang yeah, that's the always thing that why I started this business. Gusto kong I want time freedom. I've been here in a corporate job for 18 years, and wala pa ring, wala purpose. All I do is my routine is like work, home, work. So that's why it's for me when the time hits me na I want something that really can help me get out of what my situation right now, and while doing that earn working at home while earning. So that's the way that I can really get my time back. So when I saw this ads at my Facebook when I was scrolling, same way, like I really resonate her story. So long story short, I'm here, try sharing this opportunity sa lahat ng mga ah, workers dyan, mga employee, parents na gustong maiba yung takbo ng buhay mo. So, I hope we can take a value for our like go live namin. Yeah. Lalo na sa mga skeptical, sa mga spouse na hindi yung, mayroong skeptical sila sa business na to, or they think our business is a scam or not legit. I hope you can take value in our topic, and that we can share about this journey. So, to those who don't know me, my name is Teresa. I'm originally from Philippines, Misamis Occidental, and living here in Pennsylvania for almost 18 years or 19 years.
Thank you so much, Miss Teresa. And yes, I'm sure a lot of people can resonate our stories here. We're just like everyone else who are watching or who are scrolling on social media or who are tired of their situations, because pretty much here, the reality, guys, hits us. When we were in the Philippines, when we were enjoying our life, when we thought when we move abroad, our life would be like a princess. But the reality,
Yes. That's the say. Ang swerte mo nakaano ka nakapunta na ibang bansa. Binilang lang ang dalag din ang bills dito.
And that is why so many people, so many Filipinas are in this business, because we want more. We want to earn more. We want to help our family, extended family, and we want to achieve the time freedom and financial freedom. Because here we have no life. We're like existing, going to work, going to sleep, eat, going to work, same routine year after year. But of course, before I can keep going, I'm gonna give a chance to see Cecil to introduce herself and give her a little bit of her why she started the business, and then we can dive into this topic. Good morning, Cecil.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Cecil Hosner. I'm originally also from Cebu, Philippines. I'm currently living here in Michigan, USA with my family. I have a 2 years old boy. I'm also a wife. And why I start this business? Well, because well, guys, in this country, it's really tough. We cannot work full time. Even we both working, we can't save money. Bills piled up, debt, credit cards, a lot, guys. So I was thinking myself, I need something that I could earn from home. I don't have a lot of time for my son. I don't have a lot of time for my family. I come home so tired and no energy left for my little one. So sometimes I work my part-time job. I also clean houses afterwards just to earn extra. So this is the reason why I need something, like I need something that could earn from home, not just earn from home, give me freedom, time freedom for my family. Even I'll do everything I still earn from home. So that's it, guys.
That's right, Cecil. You know, there's so many people, I'm sure, same or could be worse situations than you. It's just no matter even the two couples is working hard, we would say, but it's still surviving. But did you realize, is Hesner, that Cecil, that minsan yung mindset din natin, 'di ba? Kumbaga sa sa mga training natin na our mind is just to pay the bills. So we are pretty much like chasing every month to make ends meet, to be able to pay the bills. Alam mo sis, dito na bago ang mindset ko sa business. Na inaano mo ba yan? Na-realize? Did you ever realize that?
Oh, I feel so happy in this business because I I found my purpose, honestly. When I before I didn't found this business, I was like my life is just repetitive. Like nowhere to go. Like you know yourself, like di mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. Like repetitive every single day and no progress at all. Wala kang purpose. So when I found this business, I feel I feel so happy.
There's like,
I feel like me and my family can be proud of someday
yeah.
for with me.
I'm sure, I'm sure sis. At saka lahat naman din tayo, di ba, in the beginning is we're like wanderer. Kumbaga, hindi natin alam kung saan, anong patutunguhan. Kumbaga, walang direction ang buhay. Comfortable lang
Oo.
yung nasa bahay, trabaho, alaga ng baby. Seems like parang, but dito
Same.
ko na-realize yung growth, yung how, because dito is hindi lang tayo mag-grow, kumbaga financially. Mag-grow tayo the whole thing, yung mental, yung the way how we think, the way how we look challenges, and the way how our goal is to help people. So, grabe talaga ang growth sa business. Hindi ko yan na ano dati. Kung pagka wala ding direction ang buhay ko si Cecil. It's just like how your situation before you found this business. But as what I always mention that who you are right now, it's not going to be the same 2 years from now. And I cannot wait to see that to watch your journey and celebrate every milestones that you guys are going or we are getting achieving in this business. So guys, we are going to dive into this topic. So the truth about building an online business, not overnight success. Kasi marami pong nag inquire dito when they resonate our ads, because we use attraction marketing. We attract those people who are looking for an opportunity just like us, like burned out, tired of living paycheck to paycheck. There is a purpose why you are seeing our ads. It's not an accident because we target ourselves, our situations, our why, and of wanting to get out of that daily grind. And that's why you are seeing that. So you click and you watch that workshop. And then you message us. Ang dami talagang nagtatanong na pag mag-invest ba ako this month, at the end of the month, I'm gonna start earning. How much money did you get already? Always remember how much money I'm receiving, it's not going to be the same money as you are going to get in this business. Kasi iba-iba pong journey natin, di ba? And then they thought that it's ang daming mga, of course, pag skeptical ka, it's normal yan, especially kung ano pong na-experience nyo sa on social media. And then also yung bang rich quick scheme. Our business is different. It's not it's just same as any other business. Similar to franchising model. Kumbaga kung mag-franchise ka ba ng McDonald's, first babayaran mo yung name, McDonald's, 'di ba? Tapos maghanap ka ba ng area kung saan kung attract ng mga tao, maraming customer, worth it ba mag-franchise ng McDonald's sa ganitong locations? You have to make sure there's enough people that living in there so you don't go bankrupt. You're talking about franchising sa McDonald's, name pa lang 20 million yan or more. Tapos iibibuild mo pa yung building, yung the way how yung lahat, tapos mag-hire ka pa ng employee bago yan buksan yung business mo. Sa amin it is similar pero lahat is online. Ang sa atin dito is kumbaga pag-aralan namin ng training, we have to set up our business and then we have to stay consistent. Kumbaga social media, the reason why we are doing our live guys is because people will search us if we are legit kasi ang daming AI ngayon. Diba Sis Teresa, naano mo ba, na-encounter mo din ba itong mga inquiries in your business journey?
Yes. People think that starting an online business means instant success. So yun talaga una nilang no, not una nila before they will join the business, yun talaga una nilang itatanong. I counter that multiple times, and they say posts about people earning big, then they think they think it happens to them overnight. So that it means no, but the truth is not. It doesn't, because building an online business takes time, consistency, patience.
Yeah, pero totoo yung makikita natin na how much money they are earning. Yes. You don't know how long they've been in the business.
Yes, because you have to learn the system, you have to stay committed as a business owner, and you have to keep showing up. So yun talaga ang three items na gusto na dapat you have that in your mind if you join this online business, because like it's like like you mentioned, it's like online franchise, lahat dito is you already built for us. Yung gusto nating gusto natin mag-start ng business, hindi na tayo lahat mag-start from the scratch.
Hindi na tayo maghanap ng space,
Because
kumbaga,
yes,
o ganyan, kasi parang isang package na siya. Sa'yo ba din, si Cecil, in your journey, dami ba din, na-encounter mo ba din to? Yung bang alakala nila is overnight success to, ang tanong, magkano nang kinikita mo? Pag ako ba, ano mo din ba to, na-encounter?
katinig ka,
Oo,
Eva.
marami. May nagme-message sa akin. Ano ba? Sometimes they ask if this is a job. And this is, yes, marami. If magkano ba ang kita by monthly. But, guys, this business is not instant. Yeah, like my other business partners say, you need to learn the business very, very well. You own this business. It's up to you how you run it. So, and then you don't expect that you're gonna have and paid off your investment afterwards. After you invest, right, and then you expect the profit right away. So this is not an instant. This is not instant. It takes a lot of patience, and it takes a lot of patience, guys. Consistency, yes, to build this business. Also,
Yes,
if you're going to the school, you're not gonna be successful right away. It is the
yes,
same, guys. So you're not gonna be unless that's illegal or something like instant. Like tomorrow, you're gonna have a profit in your investment. That's a little red flag in it. But this guys, this is legit, and this is not instant. This is not instant investment.
So, alam
Yes,
mo, Cecil,
you building something in the future. Like it's like you planting seeds right now, and it takes like a lot of patience, patient and consistency to build this business very well.
yeah, totoo yan. At saka alam mo, ang sa atin talaga is kailangan natin yung pag-aralan ang business. Kasi how are we going to mentor someone? Because guys, we are focusing on helping others, setting up their business and how to run the business. So kailangan talagang pag-aralan ang business. At kasi kung iniisip mo lang na you invest this today and then without doing anything, kasi marami ding nag-reach out sa akin na wala ba akong ginagawa. Oo, hindi, business ito, you are talking about business. Kung nag-invest ka tapos wala kang ginagawa, kung kahit anong business ang gagawin mo, hindi yan mag-succeed, di ba? Kasi it's just like owning a grocery. Kumbaga sa Pilipinas, mahilig tayo ng sari-sari store, kumbaga sa bahay. Imagine kung wala ka sa bahay, may tao pero close. Mayroon ka bang makikitang income? Di ba wala? Same. Our business model is pretty much 100% online, di ba? So that's why we are doing Go Live. We are posting consistency, sharing the business, leveraging about other people's success, because that's how people see. Because it's pretty much like this is our business platform, kumbaga office o kumbaga bahay natin, di ba? That's how we show kung anong meron po tayo dito. You have to do something. Kumbaga 190% automations na kami yung business natin dito. 10% sa'yo yung pag-aralan ng business, share the opportunities, tapos just keep learning. Kasi that's how here, like, pagdating sa technology, pagdating sa digital, ang daming mababago. Bukas ibang setup na yan. Kumbaga kasi we are running advertising. Kumbaga ako, mahiyain, I don't wanna share to other people, we don't bug friends and family. So we do attraction marketing. We have to run advertise. So lahat nandito yung setup, how we set up, how we use the platform, any other platform to run ads, because you are talking in this planet, billions of people, and lahat naman ngayon naka cellphone, naka TikTok, naka ano bang, nasa social media na, kumbaga yung bata mo pang
Social media.
yeah.
Yeah.
Di ba? So, we are using that to earn money, but we are not bloggers. We are earning through our affiliate company that we are partner with. So, as what we always mention here, if you are expecting to earn this much, if your mentality is you invest right now and you earn this month, no, this is not right for you, because we are looking for those people who are looking for a long-term wealth. Kumbaga, you are talking uh, 3 to 5 years. That's where you slowly get the try, slowly harvesting the seeds that you plant. Di ba? Yung gang sinasabi ni Sis Cecil, para lang itong nag-ano tayo, nagpa-plant ng seeds. Kailangan mo yung water, sprinkled water every day. Weeds, those negativity, kailangan mong i-remove kasi mabubulok yung seeds mo. When we're talking about negativity in business, we are talking about those people who are not supporting you, who are um, uh, not believing in yourself, yung mga ang daming you cannot do it, yung mga magja-judgmental, insecure, jealous kasi ayaw nilang umasenso ka sa buhay, di ba? Madami yan, madami yan. Hindi talaga
Relate to that, relate.
Yes, ayaw
Relate
nilang
ako niyan, relate. Kahit naman kasi anong gawin mo sa buhay, kahit successful ka, hindi ka man successful, yung mga tao may masasabi talaga sa'yo. Lahat ng tao may opinion sa'yo. So,
totoo.
that's the
So,
reality in life right now.
I notice, oh, yung my friend over there, I noticed this na whatever other people says, it's not easy to accept that, to get out of the challenges. Kumbaga, what other people think. But always remember, no matter what we do, people always have something to say. Diba? At saka, who cares? Hindi naman yan magbabayad ng bills mo. And our business is 100% legit. So yung na-realize ko yan, sis, yung baga, that's the biggest challenge in my business journey. Kasi, ano kasi ako is worrying about what other people think. So, the moment I realized that, I'd have to make the decision for myself. The moment I decide that what other people think, it's not gonna affect my business, because I know that 5 years from now I will be able to live the life that I want. Kumbaga, hindi na tayo mag-clock in, clock out. I know it takes time to build. So dito po is kailangan mong talagang, yun na nga ang sinasabi sa mga business partners ko dito, patience. Be consistent, at saka always pray as well. Partner yan sa ano natin, sa journey. Answered prayer kasi to, kumbaga sa akin, at saka sa lahat ng, parang lahat talaga dito sa community natin is answered prayer tong opportunity. So, kailangan ipagdasal mo ang business, do what you need to do to be able to succeed, and then mahabang pasensya. Kasi that will be the biggest that you need to get out of the being, wala akong ano dan ako dati, alam mo sis, alam niyo sis Teresa din. Dati, wala akong patience. Di ba? So, kailangan ko talaga overcome yan. Kailangan kong malampasan yan na, kasi sabi ni coach sa akin palagi, ang para sa'yo ay darating yan in time when you are ready. But kung ngayon wala ka pang nakikitang result sa business, it means you are not ready. Kasi ang daming tao sa mundo, lahat tayo ang mga business partner natin, that the people that we are going to help is nandyan na. It's just whenever you are ready, they will come and find you. Ano ikaw anong masasabi mo dito sa topic natin, yung napaka-ano naman to hot kasi itong hot topic kasi to
For me, it's just like any businesses, it requires effort, dedication, and right mindset. Yun talaga. Like we mentioned before, that really our mindset is really important here on this journey. Kung may employee mindset ka like me before, that focus only on profit,
Ano pa?
commission, hindi talaga, wala talagang makita yung result mo. I mean, if you're talking about results, it's not just about money. For me, it's like about like growth. Dito ko talaga nakikita yung personal growth ko sa journey na to. Marami akong natutunan lalo na sa ating mindset, from employee mindset to business mindset. Yun talaga na nakikita ko talaga paano ako ma-react sa mga tao na negative people, kasi usually kung sa work mo marami talagang negative. So, lalo na sa online, 'di ba? Kung may sa ads natin may magko-comment. Nung nag-run ako ng ads, marami nagko-comment, bahala na kami pag hindi kami nurse. Basta lang maka-earn kami. Pero ang sabi ko sa kanila, hindi naman dito sa business, hindi naman kahit nurse ka o anong profession mo, lahat dito is like welcome. You
Yes.
have to, kung gusto mo lang iba-iba yung sitwasyon mo, dito mo makikita dito sa opportunity. Hindi lang for the nurses, hindi lang for the doctors, mga engineer, kasi yung naano ko, yung ads ko kasi is about, I think most of the times like the nurse, like she was a nurse, and then nag-comment talaga, hindi naman ako nurse. So hindi naman lahat nurses dito ang qualified dito sa business. Lahat sa anong profession mo. So
Oo.
yun talaga
Lahat.
at first yung
Yeah,
negative
lahat ng profession.
yeah, yung negative na comments minsan gusto mo yung gusto mo
Response ka.
response, pero negative. Pero just think about it, you're wasting your time, wasting your energy, hindi naman makatulong sa business natin. So yun talaga, ang mindset ko talaga, iba ako mag-react ngayon ng if something happens, like lalo na last 2 months, yung work ko, grabe yung work ko na mawala kami mawala kami ng work in next year. So imagine 160 people next year will mawalan ng trabaho. So I'm one of them, pero I think always positive when that happens. So, and pray. So yun talaga, iba talaga yung mindset ko before I start this business.
Yeah, at saka alam mo,
After they start the business.
alam mo sis, yung na-realize ko din is yung mga social media, we are dealing with social media right now. Kung yung mga tao na, yung bang mga bashers, or yung mga negative comment, yung mga you encountered the worst comment that you could ever see. Kasi it's not because of our ads what they see. It's because they are miserable of their own life. Mangdamay lang yan sila. So kumbaga naisip ko yan na the more you say negative
And
words about me, about my ads, the closer I get to achieving my dreams. uh, I used to get back to them, i-message ko, and then sabihin ko talaga na I try to defend myself, but I realize is na I'm wasting my time. We are not looking for those people who are negative mindset. We are looking for those people who are yung hungry for change, kumbaga willing to uh, learn and applied, and then to be able to get out of their situations like us. Kasi yun na sabi nila kung totoo yung business ninyo, bakit ang daming naghirap sa Amerika? Sabi ko, lahat ba ng mga tao Pilipino sa Amerika open pagdating sa business? When we're inviting
scared
you to
to
learn more, to watch the workshop, hindi mo pa nga
uh,
nagawa. Di ba si Cecil?
scared to like try new things. Scared to try new things right now. But guys, the reality is nobody hand you the money to pay your bills.
Totoo.
That's the
Nobody.
reality in life. Even you
Yes.
work hard, you have a degree, you are professional, but you ask yourself, do you have time for your family? You earn money
Yes.
a lot. Do you have time for your family? But you don't have.
Yes. Because you are tied to
So
your
nobody pays your bills. So negative. A lot of people give you a lot of people have opinion whatever you want to do. but that reality, that people's tell you negative will not hand you money to pay your bills.
This is how
That's
I
the
look.
reality in life.
This is how I look at those people. This is how I look at
I
them. Like
know.
when they are commenting my ads today, negativity, and then 10 years from now, they will still be commenting on our ads.
Absolutely.
And here
Even
we
you're
are.
successful in this business, yeah,
Yes.
they
And
still
10
have
years,
something to say.
and you know what's the difference between us and those people is that 10 years from now, we will be able to live our best life. Kumbaga, yung makikita man natin sa community natin na they are like only 5 years in the business and they are able to let go of their full time. Kumbaga, nakuha na nila yung time freedom nila, financial freedom, lahat. So, imagine this, sis. 10 years from now, we will be living the best life that people dream of, you know? And sila, hanggang 10 years, magko-comment pa din yan ng negative.
Yeah,
Because
but
that, yes. So, that's why I look at that, no matter what, that's not gonna affect me. And the moment I decide, made that decision, grabe talaga ang blessings na dumating sa buhay, yung sa akin. That's where I get attracted a lot of people kasi na-realize ko na yung dati na pinapatulan ko talaga yung mga bashers, but I realize, I'm wasting my time and they are not my main focus right now. I should be focusing on how to help other people. Alam kong maraming mga tao that they're watching and they want to join the business. So yung mindset, when I switched that mindset, that's where my life changed. Lahat talaga. So we have to be grateful sa mga bashers, sa mga negativity, mga negative yan. Kasi kailangan yan sa plants natin. Kasi pag walang weeds,
negative,
hindi,
hindi ka hindi, parang ano kasi, parang ano din yan like, ano yan, vitamins to make you stronger.
totoo yan, sis. At saka,
Yun. Yung ganon, mga negative like people, that's vitamins to make you stronger, to prove them that they're wrong.
yes, to
Yeah.
make you truly. And I always say this, that those people, we are not looking for those people. Those are including us kids. Alam ko naman na normal magiging skeptical, but when you comment someone very nasty and without even knowing them and wishing them the worst that you can be, that is, always remember, what goes around comes around. So kung ano yan,
Absolutely. Agree to that.
yes, totoo yan. And kasi hindi, we should be nice to everyone, sa lahat. Kasi bumabalik yan sa atin. And I do believe that karma is real. So we just have to stay stronger and focus on the business. And no matter what, in time, of course, as what we mentioned here, our main topic here is building an online business is not an overnight success. So getting back to this topic, because look at guys, we get more than half an hour here. We have always have a good time when it comes to this episode, sis, because mapagandahan kasing ang pag-usapan. So the business, we have pretty much the whole package here. You have step-by-step training, so hindi mo kailangang experience. As long as you are willing to learn, coachable, and hungry for change. And you really want to take actions and dive into different opportunity. You don't have to quit your job right away, because we still have our full-time job and we're so grateful kasi yung full-time natin ang nagfa-fund sa business, di ba? But of course, in time, our business will be able to fund our time freedom, financial freedom, lahat. In time, of course, just have patience. Alam kong darating tayo at saka we are there. We're just starting and we are at the biggest decision that we made is starting. Because alam mo sis, yung sis Teresa at saka si Cecilda is, kumbaga sa iba is nanonood lang yan, but right, we are here already. The hardest part when it comes to change is making the decision. So we are here already.
Taking a
It's
rest.
yes, we just need
Yeah.
to learn, apply, and keep going. At lahat guys, alam mo, lahat po kami wala kaming computer background, business experience, social media experience. But it's because of that package that you have. Imagine, yung sa one-time membership namin dito is covered yan if you want to proceed. Covered yan yung lifetime updated business training, yung mentorship and coaching. Imagine you will have your forever business mentor and coach. And then automation, yung ano ba, lahat ng mga millionaire master classes dito, mga Zoom meeting of how they become successful. Yan lang. That's our membership fee. And if that's kasi hindi yan alam ng karamihan. Kasi yun na nga sa as what we mentioned here. Pag-invite lang natin to watch the webinar, negative na. Paano pa yung sa pag-join? But of course guys, you are not
Oo.
alone. Kung baga naka-resonate ka sa story ni Sis Teresa, she works in a factory, she realized after 18 years or 15 years working, still no savings. She have tired of the situations, and she the reason why she started the business because she want to achieve her time back, time freedom. Kumbaga, Sis Teresa, nagtatrabaho yan ng 7 days a week, 12 or 8 to 12 hours every shift. If you are in that and you resonate here, you can register your name and email to her website. Then you have access to her um, to her business, and she will be your mentor, lifetime mentor. And then soon, Sister Teresa will become a coach as well in this community. So, magiging partner mo yan hanggang magiging coach ka din. Diba? At saka si Cecil, if you are a mother, and then you are working full-time at the same time you want to pick up your extra like cleaning houses. Kasi marami talaga sa atin kasi Filipinos are very, very hardworking. If you resonate her stories,
Yes, I agree to that.
you can connect with her, and then because if you have same situations and you resonate each other, you get to like become best friend and plan to work as a team and helping each other and supporting each other and guiding each other to be able to succeed kasi lahat tayo were using same platforms. It's just like at saka hindi yan magmamatter guys kung sino ang mentor at saka coach nyo kasi ang pag-succeed nyo sa business, hindi yan magdepende kung sinong coach at mentor. So that's why, kasi meron talaga ditong pumili na, oh gusto ko iba ang mentor, gusto ko iba. Alam nyo, I'm just laughing about that saka si Teresa kasi hindi yan magmatter kung sino. You should be looking for the mentor who are consistent in their business, who are pushing their business because you wanna be one of them. You wanna push your business like them. Paano kung makahanap ka na hindi nag-show? O, karma na yan sa'yo, di ba? But anyway.
Karma is
So, in reality,
dito tulungan dito itulungan. We left each other up.
yes, totoo yan. We're helping each other, supporting each other, and guiding each other to be successful because all of us guys, this is the community where I found a second family. Kumbaga, lahat po kami nagtutulungan, but our goal is only one, is to be successful. I never see in our community if I reach someone help that they ignore me, that they say something bad. No, they always willing to help. Dito mo lang yan makikita sa community namin, yung how they welcome you as family. Yung pagkikita na sa personal when we really meet in real life. Para talaga
I'm so excited though.
sisters. Kumbaga, we build relationship dito. When you see, it's like you're already so close, like sisters. And we're just hugged, and oh my goodness, that was amazing feeling, and I was so happy. That was, makikita niya talaga ang saya. Kumbaga, yun na, saya namin sa business. Sabihin na nga yung mga partner, hoy, bakit hindi ganyan kalaki ng smile mo pag kaming kasama? Pero pagdating sa business, sa pagkita ng mga business, lahat parang ang anghel na nahulog sa langit, yung talagang saya. Makikita mo
Yeah,
yan sa
before I joined this business, I really feel all alone because you came to the country that you don't have any family except your husband. So
and then
and
now
then like when I joined this business, I found a lot. I'm so happy because like you found a sisters, you found a friend, and you're not gonna be alone. So
you
don't
reach
scared if you're gonna be alone in this business because you're not. And if you're
just
scared right now to try new things, yeah, new opportunity, guys, think about it. Every successful you see today, they started from scratch,
yeah, and they
scared,
always
skeptical, unsure.
and alam mo sis, they always say find someone who are already doing that business, who already know what they're doing. Have a mentor. That's how you succeed because you can never succeed alone. So, dito kumbaga nahanap natin yung supportive community, the whole lahat binigay niya. Kaya alam mo, yun talaga sa akin is I'm so happy to share the opportunity because I know how many lives change already. It's because of this business. So why not spreading and helping others? It's just like sometimes we cannot help what other people's mindset and the way how they look the opportunity. But of course, for whoever's watching this and then you are like us, reach out to us and we will be happy to share you the opportunities, the first is the steps that we always want you to start is watch the free workshop, then reach out to us, then if you want to dig deeper then proceed to the next steps, so where you can really see the ins and out of the business, and then you have to make the decision if you really want to proceed and have a business start as a side hustle, as long as you start something, because always remember, kung wala kang itatanim, ipaplant na seeds ngayon, do you think 5 years from now may bagbago sa situations mo? Wala. Kumbaga kami, meron kaming pinaplant na seeds. 5 years from now, yung seeds namin, mag-slowly na yan mag-grow. Kumbaga, may roots na yan, mag-grow na yan, and then in time, we'll be able to harvest that. So for our audience, for our viewers who's gonna be watching, hopefully you learn something from us. You pick up a little here and there, and that help you understand how this really business work, and also make decision for yourself. Because as what say my business partner says here, walang magbibigay sa'yo kung anong gusto mo sa buhay. Kung gusto mong baguhin yung daily grind, financial situations, walang magbibigay yan sa iyo. Is in life, in reality, you want something, you work and get it. Diba? Siniswerte na talaga yung iba kung
Work for it. Try new things, try new opportunities.
oo. So, do you have anything to add on here, Sis Teresa?
Because hindi mo naman kasi malalaman kung
Kung para sa'yo to
oh my
or
God.
hindi.
We almost 1 hour.
Yes. So, that's right. So, hindi nyo malalaman kung ang business ba ito para sa iyo kung hindi nyo subukan. So, of course, I'd always
Subukan niyo lang.
yes. Ano talaga yung ano mo sa
Subukan niyo lang, guys. So if you add, so if you guys add us one of us in a Facebook account, we will invite you in private group. In there, you can explore and then see a lot of people success in this business.
yes,
So this is that is a proof also that this business is real.
that's right. So, do you have anything to add on, Sis Teresa, before we end this live? Parang magandahan talaga ang topic natin.
Just take action.
Hindi ko na
Sa
nag-notice sa almost 1 hour na pala tayo.
first step na yan is take action, and just focus on what you wanna achieve in your life, and if you wanna change your life, then take action. That's the first step.
Yes. So thank you so much, Sis Cecil, and thank you, Sis Teresa. And guys, hopefully you value and you learn something from us today. We pretty much just share about our journey and also how this business work. But if you have questions, feel free to comment in the comment sections, and we will get back to you, or simply visit into our pages. There's also website in there, but there's 3 website and screen. And always remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. You have to make the decisions
Agree
for
to
yourself.
that.
take actions because your dreams are valid and make it happen. You won't come if you don't make the take the actions and get out of the daily grind. Thank you so much, and I'll see you
Thank
tomorrow.
you, guys.
Okay. What I love about this digital business is that we have step-by-step training. It's global, and also we have automated system that operates 24/7.
I love that the digital business is global, it's automated, it's flexible, no need for inventory, and I love that it's very scalable and the lucrative income is phenomenal.
My digital business gives me the peace of mind that one day my plan B will become my plan A.
We earn money passively online while spending time with family.
My digital business allows me to purchase the newest device on the market, thanks to.
And the best part is, even as I'm speaking to you right now, our digital business is still running, earning passively for us 24/7. It never stops.
So what I love about this business is that the huge earning potentials, and we do not have to recruit people because we use that tested and proven automated system, so right people comes to us.
We joined the business because we want to be out of the rat race of living paycheck to paycheck.
Working 2 jobs is really tiring and physically demanding. Thanks to this digital business that allows me to work anywhere.
The reason why I started this business is because I have a goal of retiring my husband early. And also,
what I love about this business is the automation system that's work for me 24/7. Wherever I go,
I love that this business is flexible and automated. I can do what I love most. Look after my.
I joined this business because I want the flexibility that I can work anytime, anywhere, and my business runs in the background for me 24/7.
What I love about this business is the automation, and
I want to build a legacy now so that I can pass it on to my children in the future.
It's the automated system, the flexibility and portability. I can work anytime and anywhere I want to.
What I love about this business is I can earn extra income.
With my digital business, I work smarter, not harder, anywhere and anytime. I chase.
What I love about the business is the automation. It provides results while you are sleeping, while you're spending time with your family, and while you're out and about.
The step-by-step video-based training that they provided me, and also the fantastic.
because of this business, I was able to resign from my stressful job and now enjoying my time with my family and building my own business.
Working 24/7 non-stop. How amazing is that? And we have this beautiful community who is willing to help you to be successful in this business. You're not alone, so come.
And we are proud digital business owners. Hooray!